Hello guys, my name is Pete and this is Trading Kitchen. Welcome to this new video. It's Monday, so like every Monday, let's do this weekly overview, looking for some good opportunities to trade during this week. But let me first tell you that I want to make everything live, so I will do this live here on YouTube, everything for free, just to just to grow my community, which is the only thing that I want here on YouTube, on my socials. So hope you guys like this. Will like this free service, free stuff, and I hope that this channel is going to grow day by day with my trading line, so you can you will see my my trading activity about 1 or 2 hours per day, not every day, but I suppose just 2 or 3 days per week. And yeah, let me know what you think about, guys. It's very important for me growing my community. Okay, so what about this week? We are on S&P 4-hour time frame, and these are the drawings I made last week. And as you can see, price first seemed to go up, to pump, then price market refuses. So this supply zone, and this supply zone actually works. Okay, so price dump down. And what we do expect now? Well, to be honest, we have a demand zone here, and we have the 75 of Fibonacci retracement of this swing here. So if we do just an overview on a very large time frame, a very large perspective, what we see, basically we are on a strong downtrend. Okay, maybe here we have a channel. Okay, so on a long-term perspective, we try to looking for some good opportunities to short, which is not here. Okay, probably we must wait for the price to reach this supply zone. Okay, this is an order block basically. Okay, with this huge movement, this huge dump. Okay, if we go on a 1-hour time frame and we use volume profile fixed range, we can see that here we have a very good volume zone. Okay, and so basically we miss a trade here, but I usually don't trade, trying to not to trade during Monday morning. Okay, I just prefer for the price to reach this other volume zone. Okay, and this is the POC of this zone. Okay, and probably here I will set my I will put my sell limit order, because this could be a quite interesting zone for today. Okay, on the long-term perspective, yeah, we know that price refused. We have a double bottom here. Okay, so basically this could be the beginning of a dump up, okay, a bullish trend, but to be honest, we must see, guys. I'm not sure here. This is a very uncertain moment due to the Russian-Ukraine conflict, so everything could change day by day, obviously. So we do not. I don't do any forecast on the future because I'm not able to do. Okay, everything is depending on macroeconomic scenarios. And okay, that's pretty much it, guys. So on S&P, I will try only a short here. Okay, obviously this is another channel. Okay, so we are inside this range, which is a consolidated range, and probably price will break, will do this kind of thing. Okay, so here, here we have a lot of imbalances here and here as well. So if price will break this this structure, we're probably going to retest this trend line and going to fill all these imbalances. But look also this impulse for today. This is a clear short signal breaking this structure. So this is my suggestion for today, just only to short here, and we will see next days what we are going to do. But if you follow my if you join my Discord server, I will update everything. I will share my trading ideas. Okay, so let's do the same thing for NASDAQ, which is, I mean, the scenario is exactly the same. Okay, maybe here the downtrend is so much more clear. Okay, and yeah, we know we are in the middle of this range, so it's not a good zone to trade. We have to wait for the price to reach the discount or the premium zone. In this case, the premium zone, which is basically this one, which is another supply zone here. And on the middle term, on the 4-hour time frame, the middle term perspective, this could be a very good zone to short. Okay, I will wait for the price to reach the POC of this zone, which is well, now indicators little problems now, but anyway, let's suppose that more or less will be here. Okay, so I just wait for the price to reach the zone, make this kind of pattern, so two lower lows, and then on the retracement I will go short here. Stop loss just a few points above the eye, and risk reward at least 1.4, more or less 1.3. Okay, but you can also set your stop loss just a few points above the high of this pattern. Okay, if this pattern is going to be created, obviously. And in this case, you can be more aggressive with risk reward ratio so much higher, but probably the win factor will be minor. Okay, same thing also for US 30. and more or less all the indices. Okay, US oil, so this gap will fill. We have a liquidity here. This is a bearish engulfing, retest and push. Strong impulse. Okay, breaking this structure. Okay, just right by now. So this is a clear bearish signal. Yeah, we have to wait for this this low to be broken. Maybe today, maybe tomorrow. We don't know, obviously, but I suppose that this support will be broken. So this could be very good for us, just because we can wait for a retracement, and in this case this could be very good for us, this zone, which is a good volume zone, with this VOC. And to be honest, I will set a sell limit order here, stop loss just a few pips above this high, and yeah, risk reward will be higher here. Okay, the second entry will be this one, and this is a quite interesting order block. Okay, in which we have this POC more or less here. So another good trade will be this one, but I don't know if price is going to retest this area again this week. Okay, if we draw a Fibonacci here, here more or less, we have this, the 75 of this retracement, but as you can see, this momentum is high. Okay, so what does it mean? That probably, I mean, I don't know if price will be strong enough to break this resistance. Okay, so this could be another good zone to short. Anyway, I will not go long here, obviously, but on a lower time frame, so 1 hour time frame, if we take volume fixer range inside this range, well, we can see that we have this volume zone but already mitigated, so this is not valid anymore. So the last one will be this one. Okay, will be this one, and so we'll probably wait for the price to reach this zone, which is another order block as well. Okay, and so basically a supply zone, more or less here, and just open a short here. Okay, so it's your choice. If you want to be aggressive, you can put your sell limit order. If you want to be more conservative, you can wait, for example, for this pattern to be created. Okay, I mean, 2 lower lows and liquidity grabbing, and then a retest on the 75 of FIBO or on an order block, like in this case. Okay, so you have to do the same thing that I explained to you right by now in a 1 hour time frame, but you can do all 50 minutes time frame. This basically is my 5 AM strategy, and yeah, it's quite good strategy, but it's not my strategy. It's a Wyckoff method, and if you see my trading journal on Discord group, you will see also all the results, which is basically quite good. More or less 55% of times price go on TP, and we have here at least 1.3 risk reward ratio. Okay, 1.3. So 1 hour right here. Okay, let's move. Gold, same thing more or less. I'll use oil. Obviously, all oil and gold are assets strongly linked to the Russian-Ukraine conflict. Okay, so be very careful. Be very careful about macroeconomic events, macroeconomic news. Yeah, AUDUSD. What we can say, I will do it for you with you guys. I will not prepare, but yeah, it's pretty much easier to understand that we are on a bearish momentum. Okay, on a 4-hour time frame. This is quite good when you see this huge movement, this huge momentum. You have to wait. Basically, is what I do. Okay, I wait. I take the last impulse. I go 1 hour time frame. I wait for a retracement. Will be pretty much good on the premium zone if you want to go short. So above the 50. Okay. And above the 50, what I'm looking for, a good cluster of volumes, which is this one, and we have also the POC here, and this is also around the 75. So this is for me is 99% of success trade. Okay, successful trade. And so I will wait for the price to reach the zone, and I will sell limit order. Okay, and this could be pretty much good because we have the stop loss and the risk reward at least the next low. Okay, which is this one. So you have 11 of risk reward, which is very good. So just double check USD, AUD/USD, because it could be very good today or tomorrow. Will send my alarm. EURUSD, more or less the same. Okay, well, here the volume zone had already been touched, already been mitigated here. Yeah, so yeah, just wait for a new impulse. Okay, this could be good now, but anyway, I will not trade now. GBP used. So dollar is very strong, guys. Okay, it's very strong, and I hope and I suppose will be strong for all today, tomorrow, maybe during all this week. So all the pairs with the USD on the second position here are all possible to all assets in which you have to short, basically. Okay, if we take a look on DXY, which is the dollar index, you see that we are in probably the strongest bullish momentum. Okay, one of the most strongest bullish momentum is history. Now this will be so much powerful, but anyway, we are bullish. Okay, so yeah, we have this retracement right by now, but it's just a correction, and I suppose that will keep on going. Okay, up. and will pump also this week as well. Okay, so dollar needs to be bought basically. Okay, well guys, that's pretty much it. For the first time I did this this analysis with you, so sorry if I was not so quick, but it just I mean appetizer. Okay, and all the analysis we'll share all the analysis on my Discord group. We are it's just a new server, a new Discord group, so we are in a few people yet, but I hope to grow my community, and I just want to share all my trading ideas with you. Don't want your money. I only need the money that I earn every day in buy trading activity are enough for me. So well, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you very much. Let me know what you think using the comment section below. Subscribe the channel, ring the bell, same all the stuff. Okay, thank you very much, guys. See you in the next video.